Welcome to the Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The Khubsurat city of Surat has a glorious past. It is one of the first natural port of India since 11th century when 84 countries carried out their trade from Surat. A city with tremendous business opportunities, an international gem and textile hub, and with many more feathers in the cap. We are the business voice of South Gujarat. The Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, SGCCI. Our vision is to provide quality service to the members of trade and industry of South Gujarat. Our mission is the Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry shall strive to be a world-class chamber of commerce by representing views of trade and industry to various levels of government, networking global trade and commerce to benefit members, to upgrade technical know-how in the trade and industry through various seminars, conferences and workshops. Office bearers for the year A need was felt in the year 1940 to establish a platform which could voice the concern of industry in and around Surat. Late Shri Diwan Bahadur Bhupat Rai Shastri, the founder-president, laid down the foundation stone of the SGCCI, illustrious past presidents of SGCCI. With a strong base of over 9,000 plus members and 100 plus trade associations, we truly mark our global presence as we set up trade corners in various countries and set up trade ties. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified organization. To make the trade fairs, industry-specific exhibitions truly world-class, SGCCI has constructed a convention center, SIECC, the Surat International Exhibition and Convention Center. It was inaugurated by Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the then Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat State. The state-of-the-art multi-purpose Platinum Hall was inaugurated by Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman, the Honorable Minister of Finance and the then Honorable Minister of State for Commerce and Industry, Government of India. The SGCCI office building has 4 seminar halls: Ramkrishna Hall, SPB Hall, Sasma Hall and Sasmi Hall. Our focus is on socio-economic development of trade and industry of Southern Gujarat region from Bharuch to Umargaon. SGCCI conduct activities like Golden Jubilee Memorial Trust, which endows awards of excellence in various fields every year. Ladies Wing is working very efficiently to empower and develop women entrepreneur skills. SGCCI also publishes Samruddhi, a bi-monthly house bulletin, and Infozine, a monthly e-magazine. SGCCI has designed an import-export classroom training course also, organizing national international trade fairs and industry-specific exhibitions with focus on segments such as Sparkle International, Yarn Expo, Food and Agri-Tech, Women Entrepreneur Exhibition, Auto Expo, Citex Udyog, Fiber to Fashion, Vyapar, Print Fest, Consumer Electronics Expo, Disaster Fire and Safety, Embroidery Expo and Mega Build Expo. Glimpse of visitors of national and international repute. SGCCI takes pride in hosting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, ex-Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, ex-President Pranab Mukherjee and various central and state ministers and other key personalities. Here is glimpse of various national and international dignitaries visiting SGCCI. SGCCI hosted interactive session with officials from government department. Some of the grandeur of SGCCI events organized. Our motto, come, let's connect and grow together. Thank you.